Hi everyone, this is the update on the weed, kill the weeds, do it yourself, DIY, of the vinegar and salt mixture that I had did on my other video. You can watch the other video for the recipe, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we're going to go and see the weeds that I had sprayed 2 days ago. Okay, so we're going to see what happened. Did it work? The DIY of the destroy the weeds, get rid of the weeds between the concrete and your yard, and between the cracks of the concrete. Okay, here we are. These are the weeds that were sprayed a couple of days ago. Now you see that it worked. It's killed the weeds. As you can see, they all are dying. I'm hoping it's a permanent fix because maybe it do something to the dirt that it won't grow back. But it did work. This is the baking soda and salt. No water mixed with it, which is baking soda and salt. Look at my other video. I gave you what to do on there, and I showed you how I sprayed the weed. This is the results. You see? They're dying. Dead weeds. So the vinegar and salt mixture did work. I hope it's permanent though, but we soon found out when it don't grow back. Maybe it did something to that little dirt that would not let it grow back. Since it killed it, it might not let it grow back. So now I'm just gonna pull it on out. Get all these dead weeds out between the thing. Hopefully it was a permanent fixture. So now you gotta remove the dead weeds. But it did kill the weeds. So it did work. So as you can see, the weeds are gone. They all wilted. It did kill the weeds. I'm just gonna pull this, get the little roots out. Hopefully it will do something to this dirt where it won't grow back. So, but like I said, it worked.